Hello everyone, my name is Yosef Emanuel Adhi Hutomo.
And I am Gabriel Seto Pribadi. We are from SMA Regina Pacis Bogor.
In this video, we will present our research with the title
BogorAQI, Bogor City Air Quality Monitoring System using Arduino,
and Web IoT to give air quality information for people with respiratory disease. The significance of air quality in contemporary human life cannot be overstated, given its profound impact on human health and well-being over the long term. Recently in Indonesia, for example, the Jakarta metropolitan area has experienced a concerning decline in air quality, a subject widely covered in the media. Instances range from the exacerbation of air quality due to the construction of coal power plants, even affecting the prominent figures such as President Jokowi, who experienced health issues attributed to the poor air quality near the Bogor Palace. This research endeavors to address this pressing issue by proposing the development of BogorAQI, an innovative air quality monitoring and notification system. The system constructed on Arduino-based hardware with a particulate sensor and an IoT web interface aims to provide real-time air quality updates for Bogor City and seeks to serve as a vital resource of current air quality benefiting the local community, government, and fellow researchers alike. As for our prototype, we use Arduino Uno particulate sensor ZHO3A, temperature and humidity sensor DHT11, Wi-Fi module ESP8266, real-time clock as well as jumper cables and power supply. On the bottom left of the screen, you can see our research process from brainstorming to reporting the research findings.
As for the system process, Arduino will first determine whether it is now in minute 0, 15, 30, or 45. If yes, it will read the particulate, temperature, and humidity sensor data and transmit it to ESP, which will transmit the data to our server via the internet. Our server will then calculate the AQI and no-case AQI and store them in the database. When a user visits our website, the website will pull the data from the database and prompt the user to select the location. After that, the user is presented with the no-case AQI, AQI 24 hours, and also several charts. We test our system by analyzing the overall system process, comparing the data from two separate prototype locations, and comparing the data from third-party sensors from NAFAS.
This is the component testing table. All components from the sensor to the website have passed our test, so we are confident that all components can yield accurate data for BogorAQI. And this is the photograph of the prototype that we made, which is located at the SMA Regina Pacis Bogor and Tanah Sareal district. And this is the prototype diagram explaining how the system works, as well as our air quality notification system.
And now we are going to give a demo of BogorAQI. You can access this website at bogoraqi.my.id. For the purpose of this demo, we will use the sensor at SMA Regina Pacis Bogor. As you can see, currently the AQI no-case in SMA Regina Pacis Bogor is 171, which is in the unhealthy category. The pollutant responsible for the unhealthy AQI is particulate matter less than 2.5 micron. And these are the heat index, temperature, and humidity. Let's compare the data from NAFAS. The data did not differ significantly. Now let's see the average AQI in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, the AQI is 153, which is categorized as unhealthy. The data also did not differ significantly from NAFAS. And now let's see the chart. First, the AQI and no-case AQI chart. The best air quality is at 12 AM at 104 AQI, and the worst is at 12 PM at 168 AQI. This is most likely caused by the change in wind direction. And this is the chart that is served by NAFAS. And this is the pollutant chart for each pollutant from PM 1.0, 2.5, and 10. NAFAS did not have this feature, so we cannot compare the data.
The components in our prototype successfully passed the testing phase, instilling confidence in their seamless integration into the BogorAQI system. Consequently, the BogorAQI system is well equipped to provide precise and up-to-date air quality information for Bogor City. Notably, the data generated by the system exhibited the remarkable consistency with the prototype across the different locations, including the SMA Regina Pacis Bogor and Tanah Sareal district.
This research can be expanded further by augmenting the number of prototype locations. This expansion aims to yield air quality data that are more relevant to each distinct region within Bogor City. Our goal is to establish at least one prototype station in each of the city's districts. Furthermore, we aspire to extend the reach of the BogorAQI system to cover other cities situated in the Jakarta metropolitan area. To accomplish this, we need to collaborate with relevant governmental authorities for further research. These are the sources that we consulted.
And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next time.
Bye.
Goodbye!